Well, happy Friday, everybody. This is not the Ask a Painter show. That'll be at about an hour and 20 minutes here, but I'm on my next job site for the day. We got our mahogany basement varnish, and we're headed up here in Edina. We got the whole complement of guys here. We got one more job site going down in Jordan. I just thought I'd walk you through this one. This is a really fun project we're doing here. Homeowners are gone for the holidays now, but we're redoing this house for them. So walk you through here. All right, look up, guys. All right, so we're just starting work on the master suite here. These guys are cleaning out the master closet, moving furniture. Oh, we got lots of nice sun today. So back on through here to the master closet. We'll be going through this one here. We're getting it all prepped, and homeowners were kind enough to... Okay, having a little connection issue here inside the house, so let's see if we can get back in here. Okay, I'll walk through as quick as I can before I lose signal again. So, yep, back through to the great hall here.